This is icon number 2677, a 200-ton Wabash press. Press has 36 by 30 inch electrically heated platens. It's got, it is cored. They are cored for water cooling, although the controls currently do not control the cooling. So there is capacity in the PLC to add that, but there currently is no cooling set up on the press. The press recently had the controls upgraded. It has a brand new Micrologix 1400 Allen Bradley PLC. It has a Red Lion HMI keypad on the front of the press. New 36-inch light curtains, new mesh guarding on the sides and the rear, and a new MCR safety relay. I'm going to go ahead and show the press running here in auto mode. Got the timer set for 10 seconds, the cure timer. All right, go ahead. Press has 2 hydraulic cylinders. Currently 3 3-inch openings. The cylinders have 9 inches of stroke. Press is in slow close right now. You'll see the press clamped light come on in a second. There's the light, and the press will time out whatever time you have set in the HMI, currently 10 seconds. All right, go ahead and show the light curtains this time. If you break the curtains, you can do either one, right? Open or close at that point. So you have to hit either the press open button or the press closed button. The press also has pneumatic counterbalance cylinders on the top. We don't have those hooked up right now, but that allows you to set up the press so each daylight closes at the same time instead of one after the other. All right, that completes the test for icon number 2677.